Hi friends, have you ever seen this issue? Your production is down and commits are missing. So, in this video, I will show you how Git actually save you from this situation. We are going to check some Git commands that most of the people never touch or never heard of. So, let's start. So, let's understand the scenario. Our production app is down due to some bad commits. And in a hurry, someone force post one solution. However, we are at the same level. Production is still down. And now git commit is also mess up. So overall, we need to fix this and production as well. So let's fix the production. Friends, we are at our best terminal. So let me show you how my git is looking like after messing that. Okay, so you can see I'm only seeing two commits when I check the git logs. Okay, however, this is not a good thing. Okay, my my repo is having a multiple commits. Okay, but I'm only seeing two. So that means this situation rises after someone force pushed or done a hard reset to lit some safe command. Okay, so to check the missing commits or the to recover our git history, git commit history, we will run the reflog command. Okay, this is a main command that we are run to recover our history. So you can see that after running this reflog command, okay, we are getting all the things like we are because reflog tracks every movement of head even if commits are deleted or force pushed. Okay, it is very useful when we need to recover the lost commits. Okay, when git logs show us some broken commits. Okay, so as you can see that we have these kind of things. Okay, now we are able to see all our git commit history, so we can easily set back to our commits. Okay, so to get back to our commits, we can reset it again to the our lost commit. Okay, let so I'm resetting to this commit. So now you can see the things are committed. Okay, so we are at this thing that is the commit. With git reflog, we have completed our first step and we have recovered our git history which is messed up. So let's move to our next step. So friends, we have recovered our git history, okay, using the git reflog command. Okay, now it's time to identify the bad commit. Okay, which commit is bad? So we have using the bisect command. Okay, it is a command that automatically finds the commit that introduce a bug using a binary search. Okay, we have to just maintain a good and bad states and get narrow it for us. Okay, means we have to mark the two lines that this is a bad commit and this is a good commit. Then it will search between those commits and provide you the status. Okay, so I have marked so we have restarted like that. Git bisect start and it's waiting for us to provide a bad commit or a good commit. So I have run the bisect bad, okay, for the latest. So it's giving me the stated that bad is known, means we have mark is starting as bad for this, and we know that the initial commit is good. So I have used that bisect good had one to the my mostly initial commit. Okay, so it start the searching between those things and provide me the bad commits. So if you see, it provide me a bad commit like port change is my commit message, and this is the file where is the insertion or deletion is happen. Okay, so that's how we identify the bad commits using the bisect method. Okay, so I hope no bisect command is clear for you. Okay, so if you have any issue with this command like bisect or reflog, just put me on comments and I will be happy to help you on these things. So we have till now we have identified, we have recovered our mess up git, and we have also identified the bad commits. Now let's move to the another command, okay, and make a fix for this so our production will be okay. Till now we have recovered our commit history and also identify the bug. Okay, now it's time to create a fix for this. Okay, so I'm using worktree command. Okay, this command allow us to create multiple branches, okay, to be checked out at the same time in the different folder. So it is perfect for when we are applying a fix or like a hot fix for in the production. So we can create the things in the another folder and check out the code, okay, without switching or staging our current work. So we can again find it. Yeah, hot fix, okay, inside this using another branch. I name it hotfix again, hotfix prod. Okay, so I have created a new branch, okay, work tree with a hotfix branch. Now, as you can see, we have a new folder here that is hotfix. So I will move to this hotfix folder. Okay, let me check my path, the git code. Then let me go to the git cd demo and then the hotfix. Okay, so now I'm in the hotfix. So you can see in the hotfix we have the complete worktree as our production. Okay, so here we will apply the changes in the files. So let me check the bug part as we find with our bisect command that we have the part here. It should be 8080. So we have fixed. Let me comment it like that. Fixed port number. Okay. So this is fixed now. Now we have to stage only this file. So git add app suru.py. So we have added this file and staged this file. So you can see we have staged this file. So now we have added our hotfix file. So now it's time to run this trace command. Okay, using keep index. So this command will stage only the unstate changes while keeping the stage files intact. Okay, so it is useful when we want to commit a clean hotfix under pressure. Okay, means if we are providing a hotfix, okay, but we don't want to change our main branch, so we can use this. So you can see say it saved our working directory, okay, and index and state with working in progress on hotfix. Okay, that is our pro. So that is thing. After this we can commit with the message like hotfix ports has been corrected. Okay, so you can see we have applied the hotfix, okay, without unchange our another directory. Okay, so hotfix is applied. Now you can see that our port is clean. So let me show you the git logs hyphen one line to show you that our hotfix has been commented. Okay, so this that's how we save our production. Okay, so friends, let's summarize our commands. First is git reflog. It tracks every movement of head even if the commits are deleted or force pushed. It is best to use when we need to recover lost commits in the git history. Next, we have git bisect. It automatically finds the commit that introduces a bug using a binary search. It is good when we need to find a bug commit based on our search. Lastly, we have seen worktree. It allows multiple branches to be checked out at the same time but in a different folders. It is perfect for fixing production without switching or stashing current work. As a bonus, we have also seen stash keep index. It status only unchanged changes while keeping the stage file intact. It is used when you want to commit a clean hotfix, okay, under some pressure and you don't want to change the main stream as well. I hope you learned something new with these git command. And in future, you must use these git command if you face some production issue. So, guys, tell me in comments what git command you use to fix your production issue. And also keep watching my channel for other videos as well. I will meet you in the next video.